Did you know you can actually earn from $300 to thousands of dollars online writing? A lot of people don't even know about this. I don't know about this before until I make my own research and I tested it and it worked out. Not only me, my friends, my colleague, we are in this together. Almost 1,000 people already are in this group. They are cashing out and making money from writing. So I'm going to give you 5 websites that you can actually write for and money. But one thing about it is that you're going to be earning monthly, not daily. Okay, now let's start with the first website. So the first on my list is NovaSnack. You're going to go to your Chrome browser as usual, or any browser that you are using. Then you type in NovaSnack, click on the very first link, and this platform is going to pop up as you can see on the screen right now. So you register and check out the requirements, how many word counts that you need to submit, what type of writing you're going to be submitting on this particular platform. So the second on my list is Megano. Megano is also a good website that you can actually write for. Now let's head over to our Chrome browser again and type in Megano. Click on the very first link and it's going to take you to their home page. We are going to be seeing different theories, different story ideas. Check out the word counts that you need. Check out the amount you're going to be making from this particular website. And also make sure you read their rules and regulation as well, and type of story that they actually like on this particular website. Number 3 on my list is story writing. I actually mentioned this particular website in one of my videos, I think. Yeah, this particular website is also honestly, they accept your story as far as your story is okay. They accept your story. Head over to your Chrome browser again and type in story writing. This is exactly how their website looks like, and check out their rules and regulation, how much you can earn, where can you earn from. There are always 2 different types of contracts, as I've always say, exclusive and non-exclusive contracts. So check out their top authors and see the type of story they like on the particular website. It's going to determine what type of story you're going to be submitting on each website I have mentioned and I will be mentioning. Okay, so the fourth on my list is iStory. Go to your Chrome browser as usual and type in iStory Writers Benefits. You click on the very first link and it's going to take you to their dashboard. Check their rules and regulation. How many word counts do you need to apply for your contract? And if you want to apply for a contract, you scroll down, you're going to see become writer, and then you click on it to register. Now let's move to the last one, which is my favorite. And funniest thing about this particular website is that you can apply on all of them at once. Okay, for instance, now you write one story, you can apply your one story on all of these 5 platforms. The one that gives you contract first and gives you the contract that you want, that is the one you're going for. Webnovel gave me one non-exclusive contract. I did not sign it because that's not what I want. I want exclusive, so I submitted it on another platform. We get exclusive contracts, baby girl. So yeah, we move. This is Webnovel. It's one of my favorite. I always like mentioning Webnovel because yeah, it's good. Anyways, go to your Chrome browser as usual and type in goodnovel.com and type in Webnovel. You're going to click on the very first link as usual. It's going to take you to their home page. Check all around. So you check the type of story they like on this particular platform by reading the top author story. As I've always say, if you want a best idea for your story, go and read other people's story on that particular book. Watch movie. You get inspiration from watching movie. You get inspiration from reading other people's book. I think that's the 2 ways that I usually get inspiration from. So yes, if you have any idea where you can actually get inspiration from apart from movie and reading, let us know in the comment section. All right guys, I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section. You have any other platform? Let us know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one, and do well to like this video. Subscribe to this particular channel if this is type of content that you love to always watch. Bye and see you in my next video.